Hello all, welcome back to our channel. This is Sujita from VSC Silk Sarees. In this video, we are going to see Brocade Handloom Kanchipuram soft silk sarees. All these sarees are bridal wear soft silk sarees, a very beautiful color combinations and designs. So we are going to see all these sarees in this video. Before that, if you're first time watching our channel, please do subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon so that you'll get regular notifications whenever we are uploading fresh collections. So if you're first time watching our channel, we are manufacturers of handloom soft silk sarees. We are uploading fresh collections daily in our YouTube channel. So please do check our YouTube channel for more collections. All these are bridal wear soft silk sarees. The very first saree is a peacock blue color. The full saree, it is a self color, which is a peacock blue color. This is the full saree. All full saree, it is woven in neem jari, a very rich pallu, and all over the saree you have a beautiful designs, and bottom of the saree you have a beautiful peacock design. This is the back side of the saree. As you can see, the design comes all over the saree. A full rich jari work saree. All these jari work is done in neem jari. And next is a very beautiful bottle green color. In that you have a beautiful neem jari work. This is also a self color. All over the saree you have a bottle green color. A rich pallu, and all over the saree you have a leaf design which comes all over the body. This is the back side of the saree. So all these are rich, all self brocade sarees. So you can wear it for any special occasions. A very lightweight saree. And next is a very beautiful pastel color, which is a pastel pink. This is also a self color. So all these are very lightweight sarees. Approximate weight will be 600 to 650 grams. Purely handloom made Kanchipuram soft silk sarees. So if you want to book any of these sarees, do take screenshot and text us on the WhatsApp. The WhatsApp number is displayed in the screen. And next is a beautiful black color. And that you have a neem jari work. So if you want to book any of these sarees, do take screenshot and text us in the WhatsApp. All these sarees comes with a SILKMARK certified tag. Also you can book it from anywhere. We are dispatching all over India and we give international shipping as well. This is the back side of the saree. The next saree is a beautiful violet color. So all these sarees are self color sarees, are very beautiful designs and are rich designs. So please don't miss these collections. Watch this video fully for all the color combinations. Our shop is located in Sirumugai, Coimbatore district, Tamil Nadu. You can visit us directly as well for more collections. Also we are giving for wholesale and bulk orders. So you can contact us for more details. So watch this video fully for all the color combinations, for all other designs, and book your favorite saree.